Welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video, we're going to be doing a standard calculus problem that involves position and velocity. So let's jump right into it. Find v of t if s of t is equal to 7t squared plus 2. Also, find the times when the velocity is 0 so that the point is momentarily at rest, and the times when the point is moving to the right. So we're given position as a function of time. That's this equation up here. Our goal is to find velocity as a function of time. So we know that velocity as a function of time is equal to the derivative of position as a function of time with respect to time. So we just take our equation up there for position, take the derivative of it, and we should get velocity. So I'm going to take the derivative of that s of t equation up there, and it's some polynomial, so we can use the power rule for derivatives. Power rule says pull power out front, make the power 1 smaller. So that's what I'm going to do. So for the first term, I pull the power out front, and I make the power 1 smaller. For the next term is just a constant, so its derivative is 0. So we already have v of t. For the next part of the problem, we're finding the times when the velocity is 0. Okay, so we're going to put 0 in for v of t. 0 is equal to 14t, and we're going to solve for t. So we divide by 14 on each side, we get t is equal to 0. So at time equals 0, we have 0 velocity. Okay, now let's do the next part. We're going to find the times when the point is moving to the right. So if the point is moving to the right, v of t has to be greater than 0. If v of t is positive, it's moving to the right. If v of t is negative, it's moving to the left. That's just the convention that's used. So we're looking for when v of t is greater than 0, when it's positive. Okay, well, let's just plug in our equation that we have right here for v of t into this equation that we set up for the third part of the problem. So we're going to get 14t is greater than 0, and we're going to divide by 14, just like we did for the last part. And we get t is greater than 0. So if the time is greater than 0, if you're past 0 seconds, or 0, whatever the unit of time is, you're going to have a velocity that's positive, so you're going to be moving to the right. So that's how you do a calculus problem that involves position and velocity. Thanks for watching.